All right, just want to show you how to access the computer information about your Keurig, about the year that it was made, what model Keurig you have, how many of each individual size cups that you've been made, like whether they're 4 ounces, 6 ounces, 8 ounces, 10 ounces. Also, it tells you like the color of the pods that you put in, like the label of them, like if they were green or if they were red. So how you're going to access this is on your Keurig. You're going to have it plugged into the wall. The power's, its power is turned off, so you can see it's not on right now. You put your finger on the screen, and you're going to tap this button 4 times quickly. Oops. There we go. Got it on the second try. Now here, it's going to bring up this menu, or the actual computer information that you probably have never seen before. Software version is K300. It's the model of my machine. It was built May 20 of 2014. From here, you can then push the button again, and it's going to show you the total number of brews. This machine has made 3,118 cups. Of 4 ounces brews, only 10 of those. 6 ounce brews, 331. 8 ounce brews, only 8 of them. 10 ounce brews, it's done 2,762. You know, obviously you get the idea. Crafts, 0. The total run hours, the machine's been on for 1,756 hours. You know, obviously when you make a cup of coffee and you walk away from it, the machine stays on for like the next 30 minutes before it goes to sleep. Overpressure events, not sure what that is, but it says 9. But it just gives you this really cool menu. The ink of the cups that you put in through it. 2.0 K-cup packs red. Correction failure. But yeah, here's the different amount of K-cups of different colored labels have gone through it. But anyways, it's just a really cool little hack. So if you say you buy a used Keurig or they try to tell you they've only used it a couple of times, that would prove obviously they were lying. Or how long the machine's actually been used for. Like again, to access it, finger on the screen, the other finger, you're going to hit this button 4 times quickly. You may not get it the first try. See, that one didn't work. Oops, there it was. But it's a little tricky, but you get the idea. Finger. There we go. But it works on all the Keurig 2.0 machines. So hopefully this helps you guys out. Thanks for watching my channel, and I'll bring you other cool little hacks of Keurigs. I also have another video where I've bypassed, you can use any K-cup in there, it doesn't have to be 2.0 approved. Also, you can bypass it to use any size cup at all time, and you can unlock the full menu at all times as well. But check out my other videos for other cool Keurig hacks. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, if you liked my video, you can check out other videos right here, just like it. Please hit my subscribe button, and thanks for watching.